Welcome to the series of Renga lessons for beginners. Lesson 2, Materials. In this lesson we will study work with materials, layered materials, and textures. In Renga, users can manipulate materials and layered materials. Let's start with the Materials tool. It is possible to apply material to the following objects in Renga: column, beam, plate, stairs, ramp, isolated foundation, and wall foundation. Also, material can be applied to the following styles: window style, door style, rebar style, element style, as well as to the object styles of internal engineering systems, pipe systems, duct systems, and electrical systems. Material is assigned either in the material parameter of the mentioned above tools or on the Parameters tab in the Style editor of the object. When selecting a material style, you can create a new material if there is no suitable one in the suggested list. For this purpose, select the other option in the list of materials. To create and edit materials, it is also possible to use the Manage Styles section, subsection Materials on the primary panel. To practice, let's create a new material for the building facade, plastered concrete. For that, in the Materials editor, create a new material by clicking the New Material button. Then set the new material name. On the Parameters tab, set material parameters, colors, density, and thermal conductivity. On the Hatches tab, define options for hatches: type, color, angle, and scale for surface and section. If you don't see an appropriate hatch in the list, you can upload an additional one using Manage Styles section, subsection Design and Hatches. On the Textures tab, specify an image file in PNG or JPEG format to assign a texture to the new material, and set the parameters of its display on Renga objects. The maximum texture size is 512 by 512 pixels. If a larger image is specified, it will be compressed for display. On the Properties tab, you may set values of properties created in the Object Properties editor. Click OK. Now we apply the new material to the model objects. For example, to beams. For that, select all beams in the project and assign material to these objects using the right toolbar. The visual style of a model can be represented in wireframe, monochrome, color, or textured ways. When you select textured, the textures assigned to materials are displayed on object surfaces. Materials are used to compose layered materials. In Renga, layered materials can be applied to walls, floors, roofs, and insulation of internal engineering systems objects. When selecting a layered material of the wall, floor, roof, or insulation, you can create a new layered material if there is no suitable one in the suggested list. For this purpose, select the other option in the list of the layered materials. To create and edit layered materials, it is also possible to use the Manage Styles section, subsection Layered Materials on the primary panel. Let's create a new layered material for roof. For that, in the Layered Materials editor, select the object type roof and create a new material by clicking the New Layered Material button. Then set the new material name. In the right part of the window, select a material and a thickness for the base. Next, create a second layers and set its parameters. In order to add a layer, on the right side of the window, click New Layer. Then select a material on the list and set its thickness. If there is no suitable material on the list, create a new one in the Materials editor. In order to add a layer just like the existing one, select the layer and click Duplicate Layer. To delete a layer, select it and click Delete Layer. The base cannot be deleted. In order to arrange layers in the required order, move them by the Move Layer Up and Move Layer Down buttons. On the Properties tab, you may set values of properties created in the Object Properties editor. To finish, click OK. Now we apply the new layered material to the roof. For that, select the roof and using the right toolbar assign the required option. The layered material and its texture are displayed. This is the end of the second lesson. To learn more, watch the video basic course. Lesson 3, Renga Styles.